Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Scratch. And today we're going to be doing part 2 of How to Scratch. And we're not going to be doing control anymore. We're going to be doing the motion blocks. And of course on stage there's going to be no motion blocks because you can't move. But today, hopefully you'll be able to make something like this at the end of it. A cat that moves along the screen and bounces when it touches the edge. I'm not going to be using any if statements. All we're going to use is one forever loop and a bit of motion blocks. Hope you like the tutorial, and I'll get straight into it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to How to Scratch. And now I'm going to show you how to make it. You may have noticed a little cut as we now sprite 1. And there's no code at all because I just got rid of it. And let's get straight into the motion blocks. So let's get a little thing here. Yeah, let's get it with space pressed. A little easier. So this is the first thing. This is move 10 steps. So we move our little cat here, our red cat here, over here. We can make it move 10 steps. Just doing that randomly. And space pressed is going to move. If you hold space, he moves a lot. You can make him move left by making this minus the opposite of right, basically. And now he moves to the left. Next, we've got turn, and that's that one there is exactly the same. It's just the other way. So turn whatever degrees turns the cat. Of course, I got it on this setting. If you want to make something, so this one here rotates the cat. What I'm gonna make, I'm gonna have to make it point direction 90 degrees again. So next of all, we've got point and direction. Of course, you saw me turn it to 90 degrees just then, but these are presets: right, left, up, and down. If you wanted to switch to that direction, or you can set it to your own custom one, like an operator or something. I'll teach you operators later. Now we've got point towards, and you can point towards this brighter stuff. So once that clicked, it's going forever point towards the mouse. Very nice at RPGs. So, of course I got that. So now it points towards the mouse. So let's get rid of that, and then point direction 90 degrees again. Now we've got the go to command. So when start clicked, he's going to motion. He's going to go to his current coordinates. And I can move him across the screen, click the green flag, and he'll go back. I can move him up there, you will go back. And move him there, you will go back. So that's very useful for a spawn point or whatever. Now we've got go to. So at the start, let's just keep back. At the start, it's going to forever go to. If you haven't watched my previous tutorial, I recommend you watch it, or you won't know what the further loop does. But it's going to go to the mouse pointer. So now we've got mouse cursor. We stop, get rid of that. If I can, then there we go. Next of all, it's got the glide 1 second to whatever. So we can put the cat over there, and then you want him to glide to that position, which is 191. Usually it works. Maybe it just needs a little refresh actually. Save some time. There we go. So now, when you click the green flag, it will glide to that position. Next of all, we've got the change X and the change Y. They're set him back to its normal position. And they're going to make it an if-else statement and a forever loop. And we're going to, this is a better way of using other things. Here's a better way of using like the motion if you're making a game, I think. I'm sorry about that, wax microphone. I'm prone to doing it. Just going to change the X position. So we're going to make it 4 and 4. Hopefully this works. It takes a while to react, but it works. So that's useful. And you've been in forever loop, forever if statement, it will work fine. So control start clicked forever if. And you need to put a statement there for it to do that code. It's sentencing I'll show you next time because that's very useful. But next of all, we've got all the change, we've got to set the X position. You can set the one X position instead of the both of them together. That's what that does. And this is what I use to make the cat move. And this is another thing I used. If on edge, I want the cat to bounce. So, we can, now let's make what I've just made. We'll use all our knowledge I've taught you. So, when start clicked, it's going to motion, go to its current coordinates, and then it's going to forever, and then if on edge, so this is kind of like an if statement, but not, bounce. And I want him to move 8 steps. So this is basically what I did to make the moving cat. Hope you liked the tutorial. I'll see you next time, everyone.